I offer my humble pranam at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Welcome to video lecture on microcontroller and embedded system laboratory. In this lecture, I'm going to explain how to interface, how to connect LED with LPC 2148 microcontroller, and I will write the appropriate program using embedded C. In the last lecture, I explained about IO direction register, IO set register, then IO clear, IO pin register. Here, just I will explain because just you can go through the previous video for this particular things. Now I'm going to explain the circuit diagram for this particular thing. So here there will be LED. This is LED. This is ground. That is nothing but cathode. And this is actually anode. This is anode. This is cathode. The cathode is connected to ground. This is a ground pin. And the anode is connected to pin number P0, P0.0. That's port 0, port 0. Under port 0 is a pin number 0. Therefore, if you actually it's a program to blink LED. So I'm going to make it on as well as off. On for some time, for some second, and off for some seconds. Now here what happens if you want to make LED on, I have to make P0.0 high, and if you want to make it low, means if you want to make it off, we have to make P0.0 as low. So now just I will explain the code for this particular program. Therefore, this is the way. Okay, so this is your LED. I'm interfacing LED to LPC 2148 microcontroller, and we know that we have port 0 and port 1. Port 0 contains 32 bit and port 1 contains 32 bit. Just we are using port 0. Under port 0 we have totally 32, but out of 32 I'm using P0.0. So this goes to cathode, anode, and another terminal connected to ground. So just I'm going to explain the program for this. So write a program to blink LED which is connected at P0.0. Now here, because if you go for a normal C, it won't recognize like P0, P1, IO set or IO clear, IO pin. There'll be so many registers are available inside this LPC 2148 microcontroller. Basically, it won't recognize. If you go for a normal C, it won't recognize. Therefore, if you want to utilize, if you want to use those registers properly, then we have to include one library called LPC 2148. So we have so many series 48, 49 something. We have to include this particular library. This library contains all the registers like IO clear, IO set, IO pin, all those things. Then we have to provide delay. Okay, it's a prototype void delay void. I'm not passing any parameters as well as I'm not receiving anything. Set delay. You have to provide delay after every second. Now it's a main program. Now IO direction 0 equal to 1. So what is the purpose of writing this particular statement? We have to configure P0.0 as output. So in the previous lecture, explain how to configure. Therefore, here we are using LED. LED is output device. Therefore, we have to configure this particular port P0.0 as output. Therefore, this is a binary equivalent. So we have 32 bit. Here this is P0.0. This is a 0 bit. This is first bit. The second bit like this. Therefore, this is just written 1. The binary equivalent of 1 is this. Okay. So if you write this, if you assign 1 to this particular register, say what happened? It's going to configure P0.0 as output. So next, I'm going to create an infinite loop by using while loop. That is using while, I'm going to create an infinite loop while 1. Then IO set equal to 1. What happens if we execute this particular statement? Once if you execute this statement, LED becomes on. Means that is here 1 means this is a binary equivalent of 1. Therefore P naught dot. So if you write 1 to where? Bit number 0, then immediately that P naught dot 0 becomes high. Means LED becomes on. Then after some time means provide delay because it happens within a fraction of second. If you want to notice whether it's on or off, therefore provide some delay of some seconds, 1 second, like that. We can modify this delay also. Then IO clear equal to 1. So what is a binary equivalent of 1? This is a binary equivalent of 1. If you write 1 to IO clear register, it makes P naught dot 0 equal to low, means this becomes low, then LED becomes off. Have to make it off for some amount of time and repeat same thing infinite times. Okay, it's a infinite time. It's an infinite delay. The infinite delay, sorry, infinite loop. Okay, it's keep on repeating. Say on, off, is going to keep on doing same thing. So just I'm going to explain delay program. It's the end of main. Now this is a delay program. So I'm using two integer variable s equal to 0. Then I'm using for loop. So for z equal to 0, z less than 4 lakh, z plus plus. Okay, that comes to this increment value of c, means I'm going to execute this loop how many times? 4 lakhs time. It leads to, it means if you want to execute this delay this many times, it requires approximately 1 second delay. It's approximate, it's not exact delay. Therefore, depending upon your requirement, you can able to modify this particular number. So it's a delay to generate, actually it's a delay program to generate the delay of something 1 second, approximately 1.5 second. Okay, but if you want to increase, you can increase this value. If you want to decrease the delay, you can able to decrease this particular number. Okay, therefore here I'm going to execute this particular statement how many times? The 4 lakh times. It just requires only a small amount of time. So within a fraction of a second, we know that we can able to execute millions of instruction. Therefore, say if you want to provide delay, just create. If you want to generate some delay, then create some loop, something like this. So any doubts here? So let's proceed. Okay. Now here, instead of what do you call P naught dot 0, we can able to use some other pin. By the time how to modify this particular program. So just I will go for another thing. So this is actually Keil Microvision software, Keil Microvision software. Now what I'm going to do is just I will modify this particular code. Just I will modify this particular code. That is, we know that IO direction equal to 1 if it is P naught dot 0. Now here I'm planning to use some other pin, So let it be that is P naught dot 22. Okay. Now here that is 22. If you want to do this, means here in this case, I want to make P naught dot 22 as output. Therefore, we have to make that bit equal to high. So we can perform this operation in this way. That is, we can shift this one towards left how many times? 22 times. If you execute this particular statement, just I'm going to put it in the bracket. Okay, if you execute this particular statement, it makes bit 22 equal to high. Okay, once if we make bit 22 equal to high, what happen? So we're going to configure that bit as an output. Means P naught, I'm applying to make P naught at 22 as output because I want to connect the LED at this particular pin. Therefore, this will be changed. This particular bit will be changed. Okay. In the same manner, okay, so timing, I'm going to remove this particular comment. Okay, now let it be here. Okay. Now in this case, once again, same thing. Now I want to make LED on, which is connected at P0.22. Therefore, once again, we have to make that pin P0.22 as high. Therefore, we have to shift this one towards left. How many times? 22 times. So 22 times. In the same way, then we have to make that P0.22 as high to clear that. Okay, that is how many times you have to do. So at 22 times, so delay. Okay, they call delay. Therefore, what's the meaning of this program? So first we have to configure P0.22. So in this case, that is P0 dot, and to configure P0.22 as output. Okay, then so that's the purpose of using this particular statement. So once if you execute this particular statement, what happen? It makes P0.22, that particular pin becomes what? High. Then that is on. Okay, so what happens? It becomes on. LED becomes on. Then provide some amount of delay. Then if you execute this, what happens? That is P0.22 becomes low. That is off. That is off. Off. Okay. So if we're going to perform same job, say repeated how many times? That is infinite number of times. Just I'm going to change the pin number. By the time you're not supposed to write simply one. Therefore, here shift one how many times? Those many times. If it is bit number 2, 2 times. If it is bit number 10, 10 times. If it is 31, bit number 31, 32, 31 times, like that. Sorry, 32 times. It's something like that. Okay, that is here 22, 22, 31 means you have to do those many times. So any doubts here? Okay, just I'm going to modify the circuit, then I will give the demo for that particular thing. Okay. Now here, this is what happened. Here we have what do you call, this is your cathode, this is anode. Then what I will do is just I will remove the connection. Okay, now just I will connect this to 22. Actually this is P0.22. So this is nothing but this is ground, this is ground, this is P0. Actually this is P0 22, P0.22. So the circuit is completed. Circuit is completed. Now what happened? LED is not currently the LED is not working. If you have to modify the program, means you have to run that particular program. So this is a diagram. This is actual circuit. This goes to the cathode, goes to ground. The anode goes to pin, that is P0.22. Now we have to run the program. Have to run the program. Okay, this is a program. Now just I'm going to save this. Okay, build this particular program. The building is over. Zero errors. Zero errors. There is no errors at all. Okay. Then afterwards, after completion of this, we have to go for some flash magic. Then we have to, okay, communication port is 19 here. That is LPC 2148. Okay, this is over. Then browse. Yes, select this, blink LED. Then just open. That is over. Then start. So it's a start working. You can see the program here. You can see the output. Now you can see the output. Okay. So this is your cathode. This is anode. Now just I'm using the pin number, that is P0 dot P0.22. So this is the way. It may be anything. Okay, you can use in this way, you can able to make it on or off. So what is the conclusion of this? Therefore, if you want to make it on, means if you want to make it high, then you have to go for IO set register. If you want to clear, if you want to make it 0, you have to go for IO clear register. Then if you want to change the direction, if you want to configure like input or output, we have to go for IO direction register. So if it is 1, if you want to make it 1, means if you want to configure some pin as input, that must be 0. If you want to configure something as output, then that particular bit must be high. Therefore, here we have 3 registers: IO direction, IO set, IO clear. If you want to make it high, you have to go for IO set. If you want to make it low, you have to go for IO clear. Okay. Then if you want to change the direction, okay, input or output, then we have to go for IO direction register. So this is the way. In the next lecture, I'm going to explain how to interface what you call input device. Okay. So thanks for watching.